Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do eyebrow threading in a safe and hygienic way. Instead of putting one end of the thread in the mouth and the other in the hand, what we're going to do is we're going to use both our hands. Make sure that the client has got a face mask, because when you're threading, the hairs, they go all over the place. Now get a piece of thread as shown and tie a knot at the other end. Then what you do is twist it a bit towards your body and try and practice scissor actions, because that's what you're going to do. Now position yourself behind the client when you do the left hand side of the eyebrows. Make sure that you sterilize the skin and put a bit of powder on it, so any oils that are there, it just makes threading easier. Now can you see where you creating the scissor actions? The hair has to be inside. And only the thread that are inside the V shape will be plucked out. So there's no chance of you taking any of the other hairs off. Continue doing it. Make sure that the skin is really taut, because sometimes customers can end up getting scabs. Now we're going to do the bridge of the nose. So we can ask the client to stretch the skin there. Stretching is very important. The skin has to be really taut. And again, pick the hairs in the V of the thread as shown. It's a bit hard to explain, but you can see what I mean from the video. Make sure that the gaps on the bridge are very small. It makes the eyebrows look natural. Now continue with on the other eyebrow now. Now you could again position yourself, and this time you're positioning in front of the client. Previous eyebrows was behind, this one is in front. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We had a bit of a break, but we're going to continue our uploading. Wipe the stray hairs off so it looks nice and neat. Just check it, the eyebrows are leveled, because sometimes some eyebrows, because customers come and say one of my eyebrows is higher and the one is lower, so always have a look and adjust accordingly. Trim the eyebrows, gives a nice shape. When you're done, and apply some antiseptic. What I'm doing is I'm applying aloe vera gel. Just heals the skin. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. Click the icon for regular upload.